Hey girl bosses, this is Nirupama and I want to welcome you to Answers with Nirupama. Today's question has come from Neha and Neha says, Nirupama, one challenge that I'm facing is creating consistent content for my business while I'm managing a demanding career. Striking the balance between a full-time job and launching a business is something that I'm finding very difficult. So how do I create content, while juggling so many multiple responsibilities is what Neha has to ask. Neha, I completely hear you and I understand that it is not possible to make consistent content when you have so much on your platter. But there are certain hacks that can really help you. So let me give you my content creation strategy that would really help you with this. The first thing is plan ahead. I want you to take out some time and really brainstorm ideas, topics onto which you would want to create content on. The second thing is never mix two things. A lot of times I've seen people when they want to write content pieces, then and there they would sit down and think, hey, what should I write my content on? That is a complete no. I would want you to have a separate time when you think about what you should be writing on, and a separate time when you should be actually writing content, right? Now, the next thing is I would want you to schedule some time in your calendar which is completely distraction free. And that is the time once you have written down the topics, you can get into the meat of the matter. You can actually start writing content. And with AI coming into play, you can definitely leverage some AI tools. Next, I would really want you to do some batching. Create multiple pieces of content simultaneously so that you don't have to think about writing a content on an everyday basis. For instance, I ensure that I keep 1 month's content creation in advance so that I have enough buffer. There could be a lot of contingencies. You may not be feeling well, so that time your content should not stop on your social media channels. Then finally, I would say you don't have to create your own content. You could actually co-create with a lot of creators out there. You can cross promote each other. You can actually this would in fact also help you in getting a better reach on your social media. So try out these strategies and these would definitely help you in your content creation strategy. Lastly, Neha, I want to say you are not alone in this challenge. Many of us still face it. So use some of these strategies and it would definitely help you in bringing better consistency in your content. Let me know which of these strategies would you be using, and if you have a question that you would want me to answer, also let me know that part.